Hey. No, 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 no. I should try it like this. Okay, that's not working out here. Yeah. So what's up, guys? It's your boy Flame God here. This is my new YouTube channel. I had one before. It's Flames 007, but now it's Flames God. Yeah. So on this channel, I'll be doing gaming, a lot of stuff. Talking about experience I had, true and false videos. Probably doing a lot more animations coming up soon, and giving you guys some story and some insights in my life. So now, without further ado, let's start with the first story. No breathings. This is the story about how I lost my virginity. Yeah, I know what you guys are thinking. Like, what? Seriously, dude? Seriously, dude? Seriously? Yeah. Shit like this happens every day. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Hit the floor, let the bodies hit the floor, let the bodies hit the floor, let the bodies hit the
Okay, one day I was home, right, and this girl, she lives like a couple blocks from my house. So we used to go to school together. So one day I was there and I was like minding my own business, and then she used to come down every morning and wait on me while I get ready for school. In the process of one morning, no one was there, and she came down and we were like chilling, and I was like, yo, hey, I'm going to take a bath and then I'm just going to get ready and we just get out of here. She'd be like, alright. So boom, I'm in the bathroom, I'm there taking a shower. I mean, like, yo, this girl's hot. You know what I mean? Well, you know, those times I was into like my game, Super Smash Bros. Right? Super Smash Bros., Mario Go-Kart, Naruto, you know, shit like that. I was a nerd. Yeah, I have to believe, but I was. Anyways, back to the program. So we were there and we were chilling, and she was like, yo, Flames, what you up to? I was like, you know, I'm just gonna finish bed and then I'll just kick it and just get out of here. She's like, alright, cool. Boom, there, took a fresh. She came in, she was like pulling the door and like she was peeping on me. I was like, girl, what's wrong with you? She was there like giggling like I was like, Anywho's, back to it. Finished the fresh, came out in the towel, looking all fresh, chest glistening, gleaming. I was like the rock, like I was like giving her like the people's eyebrow. So, boom, went in, took the towel off, put on my underpants, started to pull up and thing, took my pants out, started to pull my pants up. Then I noticed she was on my bed and she was like kicking her feet and she was like, I was like, you're like, You know, this chick comes to my house every day. Every time she comes here, my mom's not home, my dad's not home, and none of my brothers are at home. You know, I should try something. I should try something. But then I was like, what if I try it and I fail? You know, we might mess up the friendship for life. I was like, yeah, screw that. So, as I was stalking her like Randy Orton going for an RKO, I was like, dear, I was like, I started to Kyle up, and then she turned around and saw me, and I was like, BAM! RKO! I sprinted on top of her, and I gave her the eye like, baby, I love you. You set my soul on fire. It's like a roaring flame. And she was there like, what? Anyways, we started making out, and things got heated. I started to take our clothes off, and she's like, no, let me. I was like, whoa, she really into this. We started making out, and then started, and I finally got it in. It's not like I was poking around, you know what I mean? I was just like sitting in the mood, you know what I mean? Candles light, water running, you know, some slow love song playing over there. You know, my shit was lit. Anyway, as I put it in, it was like the 4th of July. Everything lined up. I mean, like I was Soulja Boy, bitch. So